Welcome to our guide on mastering Dendro, Geo, and Anemo characters in Genshin Impact. Each character class plays a crucial role in your gameplay strategy. First, let's dive into Dendro characters. Their elemental reactions can significantly enhance your damage output, especially when paired with Pyro or Electro characters. Geo characters excel in defense. Utilize their abilities to create shields and structures that protect your team during tough encounters. Anemo characters are fantastic for crowd control. Use their skills to manipulate enemy positioning and set up powerful elemental reactions. Combining Dendro and Anemo characters can create powerful interactions, amplifying their strengths and creating explosive damage opportunities. Don't forget about Geo Resonance. It boosts your party's defenses, ensuring your team can sustain tough challenges while keeping healthy. Interestingly, some Dendro characters offer healing capabilities when paired with support characters, enhancing your team's longevity. When optimizing team compositions, consider different challenges you might face. Balancing your Dendro, Geo, and Anemo characters is key. Finally, explore specific character synergies. Anemo excels at crowd control, while Geo provides remarkable durability, making them an unstoppable force. To wrap things up, mastering Dendro, Geo, and Anemo characters lays the foundation for success in Genshin Impact. Combine their strengths wisely.